Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you drive every day, you know how important it is to have the right gear in your car. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 essential car accessories that'll make your daily driving smoother, safer, and a whole lot more convenient. Let's dive in.
Hey car enthusiasts, let me share my secret weapon. The MAXLONE Triphene Automotive Spray from Visita la Tienda de MAXL. Trust me, your ride deserves this. Ever washed your car just to see it get scratched? Same here. That was until I discovered this spray. It offers long-lasting protection, so no more stress about those nasty scratches and swirl marks. Your paint job stays fresh way longer. Okay, picture this. You want that showroom finish, but don't want to spend hours or cash at a detailer. With this spray, you get instant professional grade results. Just a few seconds spritzing and buffing and bam, your car looks like it just rolled off the lot. Let's talk shine. We all love that eye-popping glossy finish. This spray delivers an instant glow up. Plus, it's heat resistant, which means even tough summer sun won't dull your vehicle's luster. Perfect for anyone living in warmer climates. Ready to ditch those costly trips to the detailer? Pick up the MAXLONE Triphene Automotive Spray today and give your car.
Got flat tires often? Meet your new best friend, the Cordless air compressor. Let me tell you why I can't live without mine. First off, lightning fast inflation. I kid you not, it has saved my bacon countless times on the roadside. Just last week, my bike tire went flat and boom, fully inflated in no time. Worried about overinflation? No stress. Its safe auto shut-off feature means perfect inflation every single time. Say goodbye to burst tires and hello to peace of mind. Versatility is its middle name. With programmable modes, you can set the exact pressure you need. Whether it's your car, bike, balloons, or beach balls, it's got you covered. And guess what? It's portable. I take mine everywhere, camping, road trips, even to neighbor Tim's BBQ. It's lightweight and runs on rechargeable batteries, making life super easy. Ready to level up your inflation game? Grab your Cordless air compressor now and feel the difference. Trust me, you won't regret adding this to your...
Picture this. It's freezing outside, your car won't start, and your phone's dying. Sounds familiar? Meet my winter superhero, the Triphene Car Power Jump Stator. Last week, I was stuck in a snowstorm. Triphne's weatherproof design saved me when jump-starting needed to happen right in those harsh conditions. Plus, its ultra-bright lights turned nighttime roadside assistance into a breeze. No more stressing over safety. Imagine having peace of mind with 10 layers of protection, ensuring safe charging whether at home or miles away. And let's not forget, high-performance lithium-ion NES battery, which makes quick work of even dead batteries. Ready to become your own rescue team? Equip yourself now with Triphene Car Power Jump Stator and never get stranded unprepared again. Click below and grab yours before they're gone. Stay powered, stay adventuring.
Okay, let me spill the tea. Why is the Orampi Dent Puller my ride or die tool now? First off, it handles more than dents. I popped it onto my friend's cracked bumper scratch and boom, flawless finish. Talk about versatility. Now, durability check. Made from high-quality silicone and metal, this baby tackled those deep dents from my clumsy parking attempts. Super sturdy even after heavy use, unlike the cheapies you find everywhere. Portability alert. It's compact enough for my glove box. Last week, I fixed a dent right before my appointment. Talk about coming through clutch. Handy and hustle-friendly. So want to save your car from looking like a junkyard? Grab the Orampi Dent Puller ASAP. Your vehicle deserves some love.
Oh wow, do I feel you! Keeping a car clean when you're always on the go feels like mission impossible. But let me tell you about my secret weapon, the Monozell Cordless Car Vacuum. This thing's got a beastly 18,000 PA suction power. Picture this, last week after a long road trip, my car was a disaster zone. In just minutes, Monozell had it looking showroom ready. It's crazy efficient. Plus, if you're always busy like me, you'll love its fast charging, 3.5 hours from 0 to full. No more waiting around, hop in, vacuum and zoom off. And here's what really sold me, the brushless motor. Forget about dealing with worn out brushes. This tech keeps it running smoothly and reliably, making it a true long-term partner in crime against car mess. Now those tricky spots. The vac comes with multifunctional accessories, a flexible tube, small and medium nozzles, plus a crevice tool, reaching under seats between panels, easy peasy.
That's it. Let me know in the comments which accessory you're already using or which one you're grabbing next. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome car tips and gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe out there.